8 natural ways to cure the common health problems. 1. Dandruff. Try baking soda. Swap your shampoo for baking soda. Simply wet your hair and then rub baking soda into your scalp, and rinse. This can reduce the overactive fungi that can cause dandruff. 2. Constipation. Try eating prunes. Prunes are an age-old home remedy when it comes to constipation, thanks to the high fibre count, and a compound called dihydroxyphenyl isatin that invigorates the intestines and colon into action. 3. Dry cough. Try licorice root tea. Licorice is a traditional treatment for cough, though studies have shown mixed results as to whether it works. Tastes great though, so why not give it a go? 4. Rash or itchy skin. Try a clay mask. Applying bentonite clay masks to the skin has been shown to help with itching and a number of other skin issues, even acne. 5. Chronic acne. Try cutting out dairy and processed sugar. Ditching dairy and processed sugar to help with chronic acne. Take a 6-week break from dairy if they're dealing with chronic acne. Many will notice that their inflammation and redness goes down quite quickly. Cut processed sugar, too. 6. Fatigue. Try ginseng. Ginseng extract is an age-old cure for fatigue. You've probably noticed it in many energy drinks. Try a ginseng tea and ditch all the nasty additives in fizzy energy sodas. 7. Hair loss. Try eating more salmon. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, a nutrient that nourishes the hair shaft and the cell membranes in your scalp. Plus, they increase your hairs, which can help prevent it from breaking off in your hairbrush. 8. Toenail fungus. Try tea tree oil. Officially, the jury is out on this one. However, tea tree oil is thought to be effective against several fungus species, and there's plenty of buzz on the blogosphere about the oil's ability. For more tips, like, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.